Yo, what's up guys? So today I decided to bring you along for a whole day of detailing. If you're new to my channel, my name's Alanson. I have a mobile detailing business called ACS Detailing, and I just started this YouTube channel about a little over a month ago, and I feel like now would be a good time to bring you guys along for a whole day to show you what I do. I really wanted to make this for the people that are nervous to get out there and start detailing, because maybe if you see me out here doing it and you see like maybe the problems that occur with today, or whatever happens, maybe it'll make you feel better to get out there. So I figured it would be a good video to do. I want to let you know in the beginning of the video that there's not much structure to this video. Normally with every video I kind of write it out, plan it out, and make sure I get all the videos that I want to take. But today is just showing you what I do. I have two cars. One is a basic full detail and the other is a premium interior. So it's going to take me about, realistically, 9 to 10 hours. I do it alone and I don't like to rush, so I know that sounds like a lot of time, but to me, I mean, it's pretty average. I see people out here doing like 5 cars in 8 hours, and I'm just like, I don't know how they do it, to be honest. So if you know how they do it, please leave it in the comments, but I'm just either not there yet, or they also have people working for them. I'm doing this alone, but that's probably the biggest thing. So right now, I'm driving to the first detail, the full detail. It's about 8:45 right now, and I'll get there around 9. It should take me about 6 hours. If I go over 6 hours, I'm gonna be kind of annoyed. But yeah, I mean, the reason I say that is because it's a newish car. It's like 1 year old. He sent me a video of it, and it's not bad at all. Like, really, it's not bad. So it shouldn't take me more than 6 hours. Alright guys, so it's about 12 o'clock right now. I got the outside done. I'm working on the inside. Usually I don't do the outside first, but it was so hot today. I got here earlier, so I just wanted to get the outside done so the sun wouldn't beat on it and make it super difficult. So this is where I'm at right now. This is about 3 hours in. I got the outside done. I'm currently just working on the inside. Getting through the center console. I haven't touched the seats yet. I'm still working on the screen and stuff, but I figured I'd just check in because I'm kind of moving. I'm trying to move quick, so I'm not really focusing on filming because I just want to get through this long day. I'm going way faster than I thought I would, so I should be done in like 2 hours. Also, I forgot my lunchbox, so I'm like absolutely starving right now. That's another reason why I'm not thinking about filming, because I'm just trying to fly, get through this. So that's another thing. Don't forget your lunchbox or eating and whatever. Thank God I have water here. Eating is a huge thing with detailing. You got to take your breaks. You got to eat. You got to drink water. I'm like dying right now because it is 81 degrees. Pretty humid. It's not terrible. And I'm like starving, running off of 2 coffees from like 6 or 7 o'clock this morning. So, but I'm getting through it. My next job is through Worcester. So I can swing by my house, grab my lunchbox, go to the next job, eat, and I'm getting done a little bit earlier too, so maybe I can swing by my house and just take like a 30-minute break there and then head to the next job. But it is like an hour away from here, like the job. So I go through Worcester. It's about 30 minutes away, then another 30 minutes through Worcester. So, but yeah, I'll keep checking in. This is a long day, so I'm trying not to overload this with footage and make this a 25-minute video. I just wanted to make a short video of my entire day just so you guys can see it from start to finish. So I'm not going to get in depth with each vehicle, but if I think I need to tell you guys something or go over something, I'll let you know on the camera. But for now, I'm just going to try to finish up this car, and I'll check in later. Alright, so this is some real issue that every mobile detailer goes through. The weather, it's a huge thing. And I'm not talking about heat, I'm talking about the rain. So if it rains, obviously we're not working in a shop. So if it rains, like, that's it. That's a detail. You got to cancel, you got to reschedule. So I have a woman right now that she booked last Monday. So it's Sunday today, and I'm going to be doing her car tomorrow, but it's going to rain tomorrow. I had to reschedule her from last week to this week because I was having issues with this 4Runner. I made a video about the 4Runner, but this thing was just giving me a pain in the beginning, so I had to bring it to the shop back and forth. So I actually didn't have the car to be able to get her car done. So we worked it out and I moved it to this Monday, but now I have to call her again and reschedule her again because it's going to rain tomorrow. And I'm kind of bummed about it because I'm trying to crank through these details and get them done as much as I can. Because for one, July is a huge month for me. I went out, I went on vacation for a week finally because I'm working like basically every single day. My birthday's coming up in like 2 days, so I have that going on, and just celebrating it with family and everything, that just takes away time from like even my full-time job to this, my part-time, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. It gets scrambled up, and trying to incorporate like your time into working 2 jobs is really hard, especially making these videos. I'm getting way better at making these videos now and making it quick. But editing obviously takes a lot and takes a while to do, so I do it late at night and just cram everything in. Also, detailing isn't the only thing that I do, but I can talk about that in a different video. I do a lot of different things, but I want to keep this focused on detailing. So yeah, I gotta call this woman and let her know that I have to reschedule her again. So what I'm gonna do is I'll call her. I'm gonna say it's gonna rain, and I'm gonna tell her kind of what's going on and see if she minds if I move it to next Monday. If she's upset about it, then I will try to figure it out to do it on my birthday on Tuesday. I can start early and just kind of crank it out. Look at this. I hope you can see it, but the one day that I need to get the detail done, Monday, is the one day that it's raining. And then even next Monday shows clouds, so hopefully it doesn't turn into rain. But yeah, it's stuff like this. It's super annoying, especially when it's a part-time thing where I can't just say, oh, I'll just do it Wednesday, I'll get it done Thursday, I'll do it Friday, like I'll do it in the next couple days. No, I have to wait a whole week to get it in there for the weekend. So this is the pain of starting it up, and once you expand enough, I'm not quite big enough to go full-time yet, but once you get to the point where I'm at, where you have enough people to fill your weekends, maybe not every single weekend, but most of your weekends, you're getting in enough cars to keep you busy and going. When life gets in the way, when your full-time job gets in the way, it gets scrambled up really bad. So she didn't end up answering. What I'm thinking about right now is, it says it's gonna start raining around 1 p.m. So I have the morning, which means that I can get the interior of the 4Runner done and do the exterior at a different date if she wants me to, or maybe wait till like fall time to do the whole thing. Maybe that way too I can get in 2 details from the car and kind of hook myself up in the fall. But I'll talk to her and see what she wants to do. But yeah, I'll hop on the camera again when she calls me back. If she doesn't call me back, I'll call her in a couple of hours just to give her some time if she's busy. But I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright, so I just finished up the car. I'm heading to my house now because I want to take a little break. I didn't stop at all with that whole car, and it's about 3:15 right now, and I got there at 9. So about 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. So 6 hours. I mean, I spent a lot of time picking my stuff up. I really got done at like 2 o'clock. And I've been driving for a little bit and chatting with the guys, so I finished around 2 o'clock. So it's 5 hours to get that whole car done, which is less time than I thought it would be. So I'm glad that it went by pretty quick, but I didn't really stop at all. The only time I stopped was to pick up the camera, take some of the B-roll shots, and to talk to you guys for a little bit, but that was pretty much it. So like I said, heading home now. I'm gonna take a little break, get out of the sun, have some food, and head to the next job. So I'll check in with you guys when I feel like I need to. Alright, I just finished my little break at home. I'm gonna be heading to the car now. It is super hot. I got my coffee because I'm about to fall asleep. And yeah, I mean, I'll let you know how it goes. I'll probably check in a couple times there, but I'll try to get it done quick. It's probably gonna take me 3 or 4 hours. It's like 4 o'clock right now and I'm not there yet, so I'm looking to get done at probably 8 o'clock tonight. So still a longer day, but you know, it is what it is. When you work for yourself, you're just gonna have long days like this, and some days you make a decent amount in 4 hours. So I don't know, this is just how the day goes, and that's why I wanted to do a video like this on a day like this, because it's exhausting. So, but yeah, I'll probably just cut to some B-roll footage of the car dirty, like right now. Alright, so it's currently, I keep doing the same thing. Alright, so it's currently the next day. I decided to extend this video to the day after because I didn't film much yesterday because I was just cranking. So I ended up finishing that car at like 8:40, 9 o'clock last night. So I took some footage, which I'll put over my voice right now. It came out really good. It was just super dark out when I finished, so I couldn't get some good video of it. So I just used my phone. So sorry about that. I really like making these edits and adding them to the video because I feel like it makes it more entertaining to watch. And I tried my best with it, and I know that my phone has the best low light, but anyways, I ended up getting a hold of that woman that I talked about earlier, and I'm just gonna end up doing her interior today because it's gonna rain. So I'm heading there now. It's about 9:30. I'll get there around 9:50, and I'm just gonna try to get that done quick and just go on with my day after that. Yesterday, with like everything, I left my house at 9 and got home at 9 o'clock at night. So yeah, I'll give you guys another edit of this 4Runner. I think that'll be like 5 or 6 edits in this video alone, but I don't know.